Welcome to this episode of Been There, Done That. My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm with over 3 decades of experience working in a wide variety of niches across the globe. Today we're going to talk about SEO. If you're looking to take your SEO to the next level, consider implementing some advanced on-page and off-page marketing techniques. By doing so, you can ensure that your website is optimized for success and that you're doing everything possible to attract more visitors. Some advanced on-page marketing techniques include creating keyword-rich titles and descriptions, using header tags strategically, optimizing your image and video, and implementing schema markup. Some advanced off-page marketing techniques include building high-quality backlinks, promoting your content on social media, participating in online forums and discussions, and creating infographics and other visual content. Keyword research. When it comes to SEO, keyword research is crucial. Without the right keywords, your SEO efforts will be for nothing. That's why it's important to understand how to do keyword research the right way. There are a few things to keep in mind when doing keyword research. First, you need to find keywords that are relevant to your business. Second, you need to find keywords that have a good amount of search volume. And lastly, you need to find keywords that are not too competitive. To find relevant keywords, start by thinking about what your customers are looking for. What terms do they use when they're searching for businesses like yours? Once you have a good list of potential keywords, you can use a keyword research tool to find out how many people are searching for those terms and what the competition is like. Once you have a good list of keywords, you need to start optimizing your website for those keywords. This means adding them to your titles, meta tags, and content. You also need to make sure that your website is easy to navigate and that it loads quickly. By doing all of these things, you'll be well on your way to improve your SEO and get more traffic to your website. Keyword research is an important part of SEO. By finding the right keywords, you can improve your website's ranking in search engines and get more traffic. Follow these tips to learn how to do keyword research the right way. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I can assure you that in my 35 years of working in the industry, I've done it all, and I've learned from many mistakes. I've learned so much, and I can help you do what works best to get your story in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me to learn more about my story. You can find out more about me on my website at www.pristineadvisors.com, and that's ADVISERS.com. You can also contact me by email at pbaronowski@pristineadvisors.com. You can reach me by telephone at 631-756-2486. Until next time.